Good business solves problems. Great business builds relationships. With XTIVIA, you can have both. Connect people, processes, and profit centers with Microsoft applications designed for future-proof technology and seamless performance. Streamline ERP and operations workflows and make strategic decisions using real-time data. Understand and personalize your customer's experience with your brand. Handle mission-critical data and integrate legacy systems for optimal performance. Synthesize data to forecast trends and opportunities. Scale as needed with flexible cloud server capacity. Empower your workforce by expanding your software as your business grows. Personalize Microsoft's products to solve business problems, simplify digital transformation, and build relationships by talking with a trusted XTIVIA advisor today.